To the Weaver's Skin Ye Go by Robert Burns. To the Weavers should you go, or if you go. Westlin, Westlin, Western. Burns took the chorus and tune of an old song and wrote new verses here. My heart was ance as blythe and free as summer days were long, but the bonnie westlin weaver lad has got me change my song. To the weaver's skin ye go, fair maids, to the weaver's skin ye go. I read you recht gang near at necht, to the weaver's skin ye go. My mither sent me to the tune to warp a plaiden wab, but the weary warpin' note has got me sigh and sob. To the weaver's skin ye go, fair maids, to the weaver's skin ye go. I read you recht gang near at necht, to the weaver's skin ye go. A bonnie westlin weaver lad sat working at his loom. He took my heart as way and net in every knot and thrum. To the weaver's skin ye go, fair maids, to the weaver's skin ye go. I read you recht gang near at necht, to the weaver's skin ye go. I sat beside my warpin-wheel and I caught it roun, but every shot and every knock my heart did gae stoun. To the weaver's skin ye go, fair maids, to the weaver's skin ye go. I read you recht gang near at necht, to the weaver's skin ye go. The moon was sinking in the west, wi' visage pale and wan, as my bonnie westlin weaver lad convoy'd me through the glen. To the weaver's skin ye go, fair maids, to the weaver's skin ye go. I read you recht gang near at necht, to the weaver's skin ye go. But what was said or what was done, shame for me gin I tell. But oh, I fear the kindra soon will ken as weel as mysel. To the weaver's skin ye go, fair maids, to the weaver's skin ye go. I read you recht gang near at necht, to the weaver's skin ye go. Burns wrote in his notes to the Scots Musical Museum, "The chorus of this song is old, the rest of it is mine. Here once for all let me apologize for many silly compositions of mine in this work." Silly meant weak, feeble in Scots. It doesn't have this connotation of trivial. So let me apologize for many silly compositions of mine in this work. Many beautiful airs wanted words. In the hurry of other avocations, if I could string a parcel of rhymes together anything near tolerable, I was fain to let them pass. He must be an excellent poet indeed, whose every performance is excellent. Jean Redpath recorded this on her Songs of Love, Lilt, and Laughter LP, wonderful album, around 1963, and said that Burns had nothing to apologize for. And I agree with her. I think there's an excellent Excellent, beautifully written song. Words, my heart was ance as blythe and free as summer days were lang. My heart was once as blythe and free as summer days were long. Gart me change my song, made me change my song. To read is to warn, I read you right. Gang is to go, warp is to weave. I sat beside my warpin-wheel and I caught it roun. I is always. I drove it, caught it. I drove it round. But at every shot, which is the motion of the shuttle across the weave, the fabric, my heart did gie a stoun, my heart it gave a pang. So that's the song. To the weavers gin ye go. I'm working on a book called Songs of Burns. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. Be well.